Activity Factory.
On this video, I'll give you an idea for a song activity called musical scenes. You'll learn how to prepare and use it step by step. In this activity, students imagine movie scenes based on the song, and collaborate to write narratives and dialogues based on the lyrics. Let's begin.
Preparation. Choose a nice song. Make a Google Doc with designated spaces for students to collaborate. Make a slide with the lyrics. Suggested step-by-step lesson plan. Step 1, 7 minutes. Individual task.
Ask students to imagine that the song is part of a movie scene. Tell them to use their imagination, and answer the following questions.
Step 2, 12 minutes. Pair work.
Students share their ideas with a partner. Breakout rooms. After sharing, they have to mix the two ideas and write a short narrative. Give them 10 minutes.
Step 3, 5 minutes.
The pair share their narratives in a collaborative Google Doc.
Step 4, 5 minutes.
Highlight their mistakes, and give the pairs 2 minutes to correct them. Check the corrections.
Step 5, 7 minutes.
Play the song again. Listen to it and read the lyrics. Help with the vocabulary. Ask students if the lyrics fit the narrative they wrote in Step 3 and explain.
Step 6, 7 minutes.
Have the pairs work together again. Breakout rooms, to include one dialogue using exact words from one part of the lyrics in their narratives. Give them 5 minutes for that.
Step 7, 7 minutes.
Students read all the narratives, and vote on the most interesting, surprising, the craziest, etc.
Step 8, 5 minutes.
Play the music video. Students compare what happens in it to what they wrote, and say if they liked it or not and why.
Step 9, homework.
Students write a story based on their favorite narrative, Cambridge English First for School style. E.g., start your story with this sentence, include a surprise and a visit.
Like the idea? Watch these videos for more.
Subscribe, like and share.